Hi, I'm Eddie McGill with Rose's Daughters. We're in a new apartment. Somebody's moving in today. We just got them packed up, and now the movers are starting to move things in. By the end of today, this resident is going to be home. Everything will be set up, dishes put away, even the bed made for them. We are standing in a bedroom. Ahead of the move, we've already discussed where the furniture is going to be placed in this room. By doing that, it saves time and confusion on moving day. So as movers are bringing their furniture in, we know exactly where it's going to go, saving you time and money. Like this bedroom here, we know that the dresser is going to go right here. We know that the head of the bed is going to go over here with nightstands on either side. And we know with this particular client, she has a desk that she wants to put here. So we know all of that ahead of time. Even the layout of the closet, we know how things are going to fit in. So at the end of the day, it's home.